Hello everyone. The chapter we are going to do today is multiplication of class 3 level. Hi, I am Amy. Amy had 3 cats and each one had 4 legs. How could we find how many legs all the cats had? The first cat is having 4 legs, the other with 4 and the third with 4. So to find the total number of legs, we will use the operation addition and we'll add, and after adding we'll get 12 legs. So this is the first way to find the multiplication. Let's see the other way. So here you can see that there are 3 cats with 4 legs. And when we use multiplication table, multiply 4 into 3, we get 12. That is 12 legs. So let's do a revision of whatever we have done in our earlier classes using concept map. Multiplication. Multiplication is repeated addition. It can be done using the first method is number line and the second method is tables. Now we'll be learning properties. The first property is on changing the order of the numbers, the product remains the same. The second property is the product of any number and 1 is the number itself. The third property is the product of any number and 0 is always 0. Now, we'll be learning multiplying a 2-digit number by a 1-digit number and we'll be using the Turtlehead method. Let's see how. So we can see that there is a 2-digit number 27 multiplied with 5 and we'll be using the Turtlehead method. Let's see the first step. The first step is to draw the turtle's head. So here we are. The second step is to multiply the number by its neck one by one. So the first number is 7 and 5. And we all know 7 into 5 is 35. So 3 gets carried on and 5 under the 1's place. Now we'll be multiplying the other number. That is 2 into 5. So you all know 2 into 5 is 10, right? So we'll be adding 10 with 3 and we'll get 13. So that will be writing there. So you can see we have got the answer. So when we multiply 27 with 5, we will get the answer as 135. Now we'll be doing multiplying a 3-digit number by 1-digit number. And we'll be using again the Turtlehead method. So you can see here is a 3-digit number 127 multiplied with 5, that is 1-digit number. Again the first step is same, to draw the turtle's head. And we'll multiplying the number by its neck one by one. So the first is 5 into 7. So we all know 5 into 7 is 35. So 3 gets carried on and 5 is written under the 1's place. Now we'll be multiplying the other number on its neck, that is 2 into 5. So we all know 2 into 5 is 10 and we will add with 3 and we will get 13. So for this 13, we will write 1 as a carried off and the 3 under the 10's place. So now we'll be doing with the other number, that is 1 into 5. Again we'll repeat the same process, that is first we'll multiply 1 into 5 and we'll get 5 and then we have to add the carried number, that is 1. So 5 plus 1 is 6. So you can see here. So here we are with the answer, that is 635. Let's move again. So now we'll be multiplying a 2-digit number by a 2-digit number. So you can see here there is a 2-digit number, that is 27 and 65. And we're using the Turtlehead method. The first step, you all are clear, is to draw the turtle's head. The second step is to multiply the number by its neck. So 7 into 5 is 35, 3 gets carried on and 5 under the ones place. Now we'll be multiplying 5 into 2, which is 10, and add it with 3, that is 13. So here we are with 135. Now let's see the other method. Next is to check off the carried number, that is with 3 we are done, so just check it off. Draw the collar over the 5 because we have done with the 5, and lays the turtle's egg, that is 0. Now let's see the other thing. Now we'll be multiplying by the other number, and the other number is 6. So 6 into 7, and you all know 6 into 7 is 42, right? So we'll be using 42. So 4 gets carried on and 2 under the tens place. Now we'll be doing with the other number, that is 2 into 6. 2 into 6 is 12, and 12 plus this carried number, that is 4. So 12 plus 4 is 16. So we'll be writing 16. And the next method is to add the product. So we will be adding both the products. So when we add both the products, let's see what we get. 5 plus 0 is 5, 3 plus 2, 5, 1 plus 6, 7, and here 1. So here we are with the answer. Let's check the answer. Now we're doing multiplication by 10, 20, 30, 40 and so on. Multiplication by 10. The first question is 4 into 10. So what we have to do is, we will be only multiplying 4 and 1 and will not see 0. So when we multiply 4 and 1, we will get 4, and the number of 0 is only 1. So we will write after 4. Just see how. So here we are with the answer. Now the other question is 12 into 1, 0, that is 12 into 10. So we will multiplying only 12 with 1, which was 12, and with 1 0, that is 120. The third question is 36 into 10. So we will multiplying only 36 into 1, which is 36, with 1 0. So easy, right? Now we'll be learning multiplication by 20, 30, 40 and so on. So the first question you can see is 6 into 20. So what we are supposed to do is, we will be multiplying only 6 into 2, that is this. And when we multiply 6 into 2, we will get the answer as 12. So we will be writing 12, and with that 1 0, because you can see in 20 there is 1 0. So this 0 gets here. Let's see the other one. Here you can see the question is 12 into 30. So what we are supposed to do is, we'll multiply only 12 with 3. So 12 into 3 is 36, and with 1 0 on the right hand side is our answer. Why we have taken only 1 0? Because in 30 you can see there is 1 0. That is our answer, 360. Let's see the other one. Now we'll be doing multiplication by 100, 200, 300, 400, and so on. So here we are with the question. So what we are supposed to do is we'll be multiplying only the numbers. We will not see the zeros. Suppose is 4 into 2 is 8. And you can see in 200 there are 2 zeros. So we'll be writing 2 zeros on the right hand side. So the answer is 4 into 2, that is 8, with 2 0, that is 800. So here we are with this.